Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell your crypto for money on your crypto.com. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your crypto.com. So once you're logged into your account, tap on account, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on account, next page you have this kind of interface. So over here you need to select on Fait wallet. Moving on, now you have to set up your Fait wallet. So then tap on set up new currency, which is right at the bottom, and then select the currency type that you want. After you've done setting up your Fait wallet, now you need to tap on trade in the top left corner of your screen. So as soon as you tap on trade, you'll have a two different options, that is buy and sell. So then you'll have to either tap or select on sell. So on this page, you'll have to select the cryptocurrency and that you want to sell. And after you're done selecting your cryptocurrency, next interface you'll have to select on Fait wallet in the top right. And once you tap on it, on the second step, you'll have to enter the amount that you want to sell. And after you're done entering the amount, and then you'll have to tap on sell, which is right at the bottom. So after that, you'll have to review all of your information. And once you're sure about it, tap on confirm. And then on the last interface, you'll be notified that you've successfully sold your cryptos. So that is how you can sell your crypto for money on your crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.